just how long could we take to find a derivative? Well, let's use the definition, the limit definition. Now, to do so, I'm going to work out the difference quotient. The limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. Looks a lot like the slope formula from algebra. Okay, well, we know the function that's given to us, and the bottom is h. Now this part, we need to think about that for a moment. Okay, so that is f of x plus h, meaning we put an x plus h everywhere we see x. Let's plug this into that difference quotient. The limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h, take away f of x, the change in y's, over the change in x's. The limit as h approaches 0 of 3 times the square of x and h plus 6 times x and h plus 8. Take away the function. Take it all away. Distribute that negative. All divided by h. Okay, well, let's expand. We will simplify. Nice and slow. If you square a binomial, well, it is a good idea to write it twice and use FOIL. I've got some distributing to do. When we do, the first give us x squared. Okay, we'll triple that. So that's coming soon. The outers make hx, the inners make hx. That's 2 of those. And the last, h squared. Still need to triple. I do have a 6 to distribute. Looks like I'm running out of space. This is take away 3x squared, take away 6x, take away 8, and this is all going to be divided by h. One more time. Oh, there it is. Distribute the 3. We've got triple x squared, 6hx, 3h squared, and a lot of stuff. Let's see if we can cancel any opposites. Go looking. Yeah, those 8s, they could go. Something else, look at those 6x's. They're opposites. 3x squared. Let them go. Let's see what remains. We still have the limit as h approaches 0 of 6hx plus 3h squared plus 6h, and it's all over h. Now you can factor and then cancel, or cancel for all. I know that I'm going to get to cancel those h's, which is okay as long as I cancel those h's. And as long as I cancel an h here, you just have to do all for one and one for all. Look, I've made a mess in the scratch. There's another way to look at this. We could factor out the GCF, h. If we do, we're left with 6x plus 3h plus 6. And once you factor, yes, it's appropriate to cancel. We can go ahead and evaluate this limit. As h approaches 0, we've got 6x, 3 times 0, and 6. Well, that is 6x plus 6. Okay, there's our derivative, taking it nice and slow, using the limit definition. The end.